Welcome and thank you for joining me today for Tai Chi-inspired walking. Now, whether you're a beginner and this is your first session, or you have been doing this for a long time and you've had a lot of practice, it's always good to get a refresher. So we'll start by just doing some centering, then we'll do a warm-up together, and then we'll go through the basics, the fundamentals, so we can start our journey walking. As we begin, remember to wear loose clothing you can move in. Supportive shoes are very important. Along with that, for standing support, a kitchen counter will absolutely do the job, a sturdy chair, or if you're going outside, you may want to try a bench or anything with handrails. Let's start in a comfortable position, shoulders loose and relaxed. Your feet should be about shoulders width apart, and make sure your knees are loose, not locked, not tight. They should be slightly bent. Now let's take a deep breath in through the nose, through your diaphragm. You may want to put your hand on your stomach, or even just a few inches below your belly button, your dantian, your center. You'll want to feel that. Take a deep breath and relax. We'll start with shoulder rolls to the back. You're going to breathe in as you go up, breathe in and out. One more in and out. Now you're going to go forward, roll the shoulders in and out, breathe. One more. Now you're going to tilt your head to the side slowly. You're going to breathe in deep and out. Breathe in through the nose. Now you're going to straighten your head and go to the opposite side slowly. And again, you want another deep breath in and a deep breath in and out. Head straight up. Now you're going to make circles with your nose. This is just going to loosen up your neck, get your body nice and relaxed and loose. There you go, just a couple more. Let's put our hands on our hips, and we're going to do some hip circles. You're going to go to the right. You just want to loosen yourself up a little. Couple more. Nice and slow, switch directions. There you go, and stay supported. Perfect. Now when we stop, we're going to start with some knee bends. So go nice and slow. Don't go farther down than you're really comfortable with. Don't lock your knees when you come up. You want to keep them loose. And just remember, if anything feels achy, anything feels uncomfortable, stop, rest, relax. This is all for you. This is just to get your joints moving, your joints comfortable. Just a few more. Next, we'll move on to the feet and ankles. You're going to raise your foot and point, flex, point, flex. We just want to loosen up those joints. Flex, two more, flex. And now you're going to put your foot down after you flex, foot down, switch feet. Ready? Okay, point, flex, point, flex, keep going, point. Great job, one more. Now you'll put your foot down. You're going to switch feet, go back to that first foot, and we're going to just roll the ankle. You're going to go in a circle, go to the right. Ready? We're going to switch, go the opposite direction. 1, 2, there you go. All right, that foot goes down. We're going to put the next foot up and circle again. Great job. Now opposite direction. Okay, good. Now you're going to do a weight shift to the right. And hold, because we're going to do the method of walking. We'll do some quick weight shifts for balance and coordination. Your weight's on the right, put your weight on the left foot. Now your weight back on the right foot, so you can pick up that left foot and put it down, heel, toe. Put all your weight on that, so you can pick up your right foot. Heel, toe. All your weight goes on your right, so your left is now free to go heel, toe, and then stop and rest. Okay, let's try that again, and we're going to go nice and slow. You can stay holding on. Go at your own pace as you heel, toe. Feel the weight shift. That's what gives you the balance that you need. When you feel your weight all go onto one foot and then go on to the other foot as you're stepping smoothly. Good job. Okay, next we're going to try a turn. The weight shift to the right again, weight shift to the left. Now when we put the weight on the right foot, which we're going to do now, that left is loose. So you're going to lift up the toe, 45-degree angle, put it down, and bring the other foot to meet it. Let's try that again. Okay, you're standing forward. Weight shift to the left. Weight shift to the right. So while your weight is on the right, your left toe comes up. Turn it 45 degrees. Put it down. With that weight shift, you can put your feet together. That's great. All right, let's just try some walking. Go at your own pace, nice and slow. Do the heel, toe. Feel that weight shift. That's what's going to give you the balance. Make sure and hold on. Keep your support. Shoulders down. Keep your center. Breathe. It's exactly what you need to do. Now, if you need to turn, especially if you're inside, make sure and go nice and slow. Hold on to that counter or that chair. Take a nice heel, toe, nice and slow as you feel it, and keep breathing. Just keep it up. Heel, toe, heel, toe. You might be walking down your hallway, walking on your front porch. It all works. Okay, you're doing great. Let's just keep walking. Let's do a little walking. Keep your shoulders relaxed. A nice slow pace. Heel, toe. Make sure and turn. Hold on to the railing or hold on to your counter. If you're tired, if anything's achy, if your body's not feeling it, just stop, relax, sit down. This is all for you. You're doing great. Doing a great job. You're doing it. This is the start. Every day you want to move, walk, and breathe, even if it's only a few minutes. Now you can use this video to practice with me if that helps, but be encouraged to be inspired and be independent again. Thank you for practicing with me today. And remember, it's not about endurance. It's about listening to your body. Even if you do only a few minutes a day, it'll help get you into the routine. So stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time.